My friend recently gave me a huge box of Knex, and in it included some SS parts. I've never really used SS before, so it's going to be fun to try to use this. That's what this video is going to be about today. I'm going to be trying to use this SS, build my first ever roller coaster out of it. It'll be a custom roller coaster, and I'll see how I like it. And yeah, let's do this. Alright, straight out of the gate, I noticed a huge size difference. Honestly, I don't know what I was expecting, but it feels a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Micro is what I've been working with for about 10 years now, so it's quite a big difference. This is what I've put together so far, and by what I've seen online, this is how the SS track is structured. I think I got it right. I built my first element! Yay! Alrighty, here's the hill, and it's a bit trickier than I thought. But the shape was kind of weird, it's my first time, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna build more now. I just finished the rest of the layout. It's got a drop, a big hill, and then a small hill. That's about it. But yeah, let's get some tubing on it. Alright, I just got all the tubing done. Also thing I did is I put a little micro piece inside when there wasn't a part to connect it. And it connected really nicely. It just snapped right in, did it twice, and yeah, it worked. I don't know if that's something everyone does, but I did it. Let's get to some testing. I got it here on the track. Let me bring it up for its first ever test. Alright, here we go. And it got it. Okay, that's awesome. Now all that's left is to show it off in its full glory.